In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back to top button in Wix. This handy feature improves user experience by allowing visitors to navigate your site more easily, especially if it's content rich and long scrolling. Let's dive right in. First, you want to locate the Add Elements tool in your Wix editor. This feature is your go-to place for adding various components like images, text, and, as we need right now, buttons. Once you've found it, click to open the panel of available elements. Next, among the options, look for and select Button. Clicking here enables you to insert a new button on your page. Wix provides a variety of styles, so choose one that fits well with your site's design theme. This will serve as the foundation of your back to top button. Now, with the button selected, hover over to place it at the bottom section of your page. This positioning is intentional because you want the button to be accessible to visitors as they scroll down. Make sure it's visible, but doesn't obstruct any crucial content or calls to action you already have on that part of your page. After placing the button, the next step is to assign its functionality. Locate Settings in the button's control panel and click on the link icon to assign a specific function to it. Linking is where the magic happens, giving your button the ability to jump to different parts of your page effortlessly. Once you're in the linking options, click on the top or bottom of page setting. This setting is straightforward. It allows your button to snap back to the top of the page when clicked, hence the name back to top. Carefully ensure you select the correct option here to avoid any misdirection. Now, highlight the relevant selection for the bottom to top function. While doing this, double check that you've highlighted the correct option so your button will perform as intended. There's no need to rush this. Accuracy here results in a smoother user experience on your site. When you're satisfied with your settings, click Done to confirm and save these configurations. This step ensures that your changes are applied and ready for testing without any further adjustments necessary, at least for now. Finally, it's time to preview your page. Click on Preview within the Wix editor to see your newly added back to top button in action. As you scroll down your site, try clicking the button to ensure it smoothly scrolls users back to the top of the page. If it works as planned, congratulations, your back to top button is successfully integrated. This simple addition can significantly enhance navigation on your website, making it user-friendly and more enjoyable for visitors. Thanks for following along, and happy Wix editing!